Hello and welcome to Future Cookie. I am so glad you are here today because what I am about to share with you might change how you think about something you touch dozens of times every day. What if the low battery panic was about to become a memory? Think about the last time your phone died at the worst moment. A missed call, a lost direction, a fading photo. That feeling is so universal it has become a joke. Except it is not funny when it is happening to you. Here is what just changed. Researchers have developed a graphene-based battery that can charge a smartphone in approximately 30 seconds. Not 30 minutes, not 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Let that land for a moment. Now, let me tell you how we got here. In 2004, two scientists at the University of Manchester did something remarkable. They used ordinary tape to peel a single layer of carbon atoms off a piece of graphite. What they pulled away was graphene. It is 1 atom thick. It is 200 times stronger than steel. It is one of the most electrically conductive substances ever discovered. They won the Nobel Prize 6 years later. For 2 decades, researchers around the world have been asking one question. If graphene conducts electricity this fast, why are our batteries still so slow? The answer lies in how traditional lithium-ion batteries work. They store energy through a chemical process. Chemistry takes time, so ions have to migrate through layers of material. That migration is the bottleneck. It is like filling a swimming pool through a garden hose. Graphene changes the hose, and it changes everything else too. The new battery architecture uses graphene to dramatically increase surface area at the electrode level. More surface area means more places for ions to make contact at the same time. The result is a charge rate that obliterates what we have accepted as normal. Early demonstrations have shown smartphone-scale devices reaching full charge in 15 to 30 seconds under controlled conditions. This is not just about convenience. The global battery market is projected to exceed $500 billion by the end of the decade. Electric vehicles, medical devices, emergency systems, wearable technology, every one of them is constrained by the same charging limitation. A material breakthrough at this scale does not just fix your phone, it reshapes entire industries. Consider the electric vehicle world alone. Range anxiety is one of the primary barriers to adoption. If graphene-based fast charging technology scales to electric vehicle battery packs, and that is a significant if, the conversation around electric transportation changes overnight. Here is where I want to be honest with you. Much of the most dramatic graphene battery research is still in laboratory or prototype stages. Scaling from a phone to a car is an enormous engineering challenge. The 30-second charge is real in demonstration. But your next phone may not have it yet. What is also real is the trajectory. Samsung, Tesla, and multiple Asian battery manufacturers have active graphene battery research divisions. The University of Manchester recently partnered with commercial partners to bridge the gap between laboratory results and mass production. The momentum is not speculative. It is measurable. The signal is this: we are watching a 20-year scientific journey approach its commercial turning point. The material that won a Nobel Prize for being impossibly thin is now proving it can do something impossibly fast. The companies and countries that master graphene battery production first will hold an enormous strategic advantage, and the electrified world they will compete in is already arriving. What you just discovered today is that the bottleneck holding back electric everything may finally have a credible solution, and it has been hiding in pencil graphite all along. I would love to know what question this raised for you. Is it the electric vehicle angle that grabbed you? The medical device implications? Or are you just really tired of hunting for your charger? Drop your thought in the comments and let us make that the next conversation. Every great episode starts with a question from someone exactly like you. Thank you for joining us today. This is Future Cookie.